To export a still from After Effects, first drag the playhead to the frame in the composition you wish to export. Next, go to Composition, Save Frame As, and select File. Your chosen frame will be selected and placed in the render queue, and here you can choose the settings for the still. Click the blue text next to Output module, and this will open a new window where you can choose the format of your still. A note here, if you wish to export a transparent background, make sure you choose a format which supports this, such as PNG, and make sure you have RGB plus Alpha selected in the channel. Here we're just going to choose the common JPEG format. Click OK, then click the blue text next to Output to, and here you can choose the destination and name of your saved still. Click Save, and then finally click Render to export your still.